Hey guys, how are you doing? So I'm going to show you the proper way to tie your RZR from Hunt Arsenal platform. There are two ways to do it. There's the book way, which you should always follow the book. And then I saw Scott doing it, and I like his method a little bit better. I think he is the owner, but that one I think gives you, it's a little bit more secure. So let's go do this on the tree. Short video for you, how to properly tie your RZR platform. Two ways. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to tie this. So you put it up against the tree. Always want to have your thing level, your rope. And what they tell you, I'm going to keep the platform down right now just so you can see how to tie it. So your first step is to go over the button. Okay, and then you're going to pull it tight. Now the directions will show you this way. Go straight down into your next one. Come across. Come up. Go down. And then come back across, creating a cross right there. Bring this up and lock it in behind there. And then that is how the directions in your book show you to do it. Okay, I'm going to show you what Scott, the owner, had done on his video, which I like better. So he comes across, pull it tight, and then rather than going straight down, go around the button one more time, which to me gives you much more, a better lock in there. Then come down and do your wraps. You can see it's just the progression. You can see how it is. I pull them down, make sure they're locked in there tight. Same thing over the top, and pull it up and you're locking it behind there. And that is how you tie it on there correctly. Now I'm going to show you, if you don't do the first step correctly and you go under the button, you're going to see that you can't lock it down, and that's going to give you the cue that you did it wrong. So if you were to go like this accidentally and then go down, and even if you did 2 turns, then you went down, over, cross, back down, then you came up to do your thing and go behind here to lock it in, you're not going to be able to lock it in. As you can see, it causes a problem because you didn't do it correctly. So if you get into this issue where you can't lock it, you probably went underneath the button.